you tell the public that, hey, look, the city is endorsing this individual that goes beyond what is required. So it says a lot of good about the business. People can feel safe going to these establishments. The amendment form is just an agreement between the city and the business, the individual business. It's basically a promise. This is to incentivize businesses to go beyond what is mandated by the state of Texas and obviously city ordinance. Uh, Businesses that do require the mask, the facial mask, to be worn at all times, obviously except for restaurants at time of eating. But again, this is to incentivize going beyond what is minimum. The social distancing, the wearing of the mask, the hand washing facilities, the availability of hand disinfectant. All those things make up for a lot of prevention against the virus. Thanks everyone for the cooperation and for joining us in this fight against the coronavirus.